Hello everyone. So let's explore how to use filters in Zoom. It's a relatively new feature. So just start the Zoom app on your desktop and then go to settings. Then here background and filters, go to video filters. By default you will have no filters, but you can just enable these filters. You can just play with them. Stuff like that. And first time when you click on the filter, you will need to download and install this filter. So just download that, and after that your filters will be downloaded and you won't need to do it anymore. So great, now you did that. Then to have these filters enabled, just select one of the filters and go back and start a new meeting. So when the meeting is started, you will have your filter on. So that's it, and yeah. To disable the filter, you will need to go back and background and filters and select none here. So hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Put a like and subscribe. Visit mrhack.io.